why you're always tired, and how ashwagandha helps. Let me guess. You're getting enough sleep, but you still wake up tired. You're dragging through the day, needing caffeine just to function, and by evening you're totally drained. Sound familiar? If you feel constantly tired, unfocused, anxious, or burned out, you're not alone. This kind of fatigue isn't just about sleep, it's about chronic stress and how it impacts your body on a deeper level. And here's the truth. Our modern lives aren't built for rest. They're built for overstimulation. Emails at midnight, constant notifications, processed foods, too much caffeine, not enough movement. Over time, all of this leads to a burnt-out nervous system, and most of us never even realize it. That's where ashwagandha comes in. Ashwagandha is one of the most powerful herbs in Ayurvedic medicine, and it's been used for over 3,000 years to promote resilience, energy, and calm. It's what we call an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps your body adapt to stress and restore internal balance. So what does that mean for you? Ashwagandha helps regulate your cortisol levels. That's your primary stress hormone. When cortisol is too high, you feel wired but tired. When it's too low, you feel drained and foggy. Ashwagandha gently helps your body find that middle ground, steady, focused, and calm. It also supports your adrenal glands, which are responsible for managing energy and stress response. When your adrenals are overworked, from emotional stress, overtraining, lack of sleep, or even just daily overwhelm, your energy tanks. Ashwagandha helps restore that function, giving you a true energy boost, not the fake kind that crashes later. This isn't about quick fixes, it's about long-term support. Ashwagandha has also been shown to help improve mental clarity and focus, enhance mood and emotional resilience, reduce anxiety and tension, support better sleep quality, and even boost testosterone and muscle recovery in men. Pretty amazing, right? So if you're tired of feeling tired and want a natural, grounded way to feel more like yourself again, ashwagandha might be the missing piece. In part 2, we'll talk about how to actually use it, the different forms it comes in, and what kind of results to expect when you take it consistently. Let's dive in. How to take ashwagandha, and what results to expect. So now that you know why ashwagandha works, let's talk about how to actually take it, and what to expect when you do. Ashwagandha comes in a few different forms, and the one you choose really depends on your lifestyle and preferences. Capsules or tablets, this is the easiest and most convenient way to take it. Just 1 or 2 capsules a day, usually with food. Powdered form. If you like to customize your routine, you can mix the powder into warm milk, tea, smoothies, or even oatmeal. In Ayurveda, mixing it into warm milk with a little honey is considered especially nourishing, especially at night. The standard dosage is usually between 300 milligrams to 600 milligrams per day of a high-quality extract, like KSM 66 or Sensoril. These are both well-studied and clinically tested. Always start with a lower dose and see how your body responds. But don't expect instant results. Ashwagandha isn't a caffeine jolt. It works best when taken daily, over time. Think of it as building a foundation, helping your body recover from years of stress, slowly and steadily. Most people begin to feel real changes after 2 to 4 weeks of consistent use. Here's what many people report. More consistent energy levels, less crashing, more cruising, improved focus and concentration, calmer reactions to stress, better sleep, deeper rest, and easier mornings, reduced brain fog, and a greater overall sense of emotional balance and control. And for those who've been stuck in cycles of burnout, anxiety, or even mild depression, ashwagandha can feel like a turning point. What makes it even more incredible is its safety. Ashwagandha is non-habit forming, non-stimulating, and very well tolerated by most people. No jitters, no energy crash, no addiction, just a gentle return to balance. That said, always choose a trusted, clean brand. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications for thyroid or autoimmune conditions, check with your healthcare provider before starting. The bottom line, you don't need to live in a state of burnout. You don't need to keep relying on caffeine to survive your mornings. There is a better way, and it starts by supporting your body the way nature intended. So if you're ready to feel calm, focused, and energized again, if you're ready to stop running on empty, try ashwagandha. One small habit, big difference. Because natural energy isn't loud, it's steady, and ashwagandha helps you build that foundation, day by day.